Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first ever cook with me. This will not be a step-by-step recipe video, but I will link the videos to everything that I am making because I have made videos. I will be making a fried snapper, I will be making peas and rice, and I will be making boiled pumpkin. So hey, come on and cook with me. And it's heated. And I also forgot to mention that we'll be using tomato paste. And this is the only type of bean that I have in the pantry right now. So I'm gonna use this. I add tomato paste into my rice for flavor because I don't use any type of meat, no type of like bacon fat or salt beef or anything like that because my husband is pescatarian. Now if you like your rice to be a little darker, then you can also add some, what is it called? Some browning. Now you do not want to add too much browning because this is bitter. Well, at least to me. So this is half a tablespoon. So today I will be using jasmine rice for this. I like to use long green rice, usually like the Bahama brand, because it's harder and it's not as soft as the jasmine rice. But this is all I have. Due to COVID, all the rice is gone, so we have to work with what we have. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, then I will add my beans. So I'm adding my rice. I added 2.5 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. And I use that measurement almost all around. If all else fails, follow the instructions on the back of the packaging. And you want to be sure to mix your rice with the rest of your ingredients. Mix it very, very well so that once the rice is cooked, that the beans and the other vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the rice. So be generous with your mixing. I also forgot to tell you guys that I added green onions and, well, for color, and I also added Maggi. You cannot make rice, peas and rice, beans and rice without Maggi. Maggi, Maggi. I love Maggi, the vegetable cube. I added aluminum foil on the top of the rice to really seal in the steam and so that the rice can swell. Some people use plastic. I prefer to use aluminum foil. And look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? Next, I'm starting the pumpkin. I pre-boil some water in the kettle. And first I will add cut pumpkin. I will also add some water just to cover the top of it. I don't want it to be too soggy. I want it to be more steam. And then I add salt. And then I will add some butter. I'm checking the pumpkin to see how far it is because I do not want it to be overcooked because it gets too soft and too mushy. So I'm just gonna take a knife and just stick it, and it's still firm. So I'm gonna put the top on and leave it for another 2 minutes. And now you can see me sticking the pumpkin again, and you can see how easily the knife is sliding through. This means that the pumpkin is done. And I will take that and drain. Here I have preheated some oil in a frying pan. I lightly dusted my fish with some flour. And now I put my fish in the pan. And this will cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. And now I am flipping the fish. And you want that nice golden brown. And it was so hard flipping this fish with the camera in the way. Oh my goodness. But look how beautiful it is. I love my fish golden brown and crispy. And now I'm going to make a pepper sauce for my fish. Honestly, I've never made this before. I'm just going with it. So basically, this is a whatchamacallit, a teliajnbaptiste. I literally just put it together with ingredients that I had on hand. I added some tomatoes that were overripe. I added some purple onions, green onions. I also added parsley. Is that parsley or cilantro? I think that's cilantro. I'm not sure. One of the two. And next I will also be adding this lemon salt mixture that I made. I made this by mistake. I was trying to make my sauce for my fish, but I was tending to the kids and seeing too much lime and salt, but nothing is going to waste. I also added this Byron's hot sauce. This is the best hot sauce that I've ever had, and it is a staple in our house. I accidentally added too much, but turns out that was the perfect amount. Like this sauce is so good. I'm going to actually create a legit recipe for it so that you guys can follow it. But it was so good. I'm just unplugging my blender. And now you can see the consistency of the sauce. It is very liquidy. It is, that's the consistency I wanted. I wanted it to be a legit pepper sauce. Here is the finished product of the fish after it comes out of the frying pan. And now for the fun part, to start plating. And if you ever wondered how I got my rice in this cute little shape, this is what I do. And you want to really pack the rice in there with a spoon, like press it down. And when you put it on a plate, you want to put some pressure on it and take it up slowly. And then I just add the fish. Honestly, there's no rhyme or reason to how I plate. I just do what looks right to me. And I add the pumpkin. So now that I have the format of my plate down, I will start garnishing. And I will start with parsley. I just love the look that fresh herbs gives your finished product. It just takes it up a few notches. And here I'll add some raw veggies. This is purple onion and orange peppers. I also add some green onions. I love green onion. And here is that sauce I made. And you want to get a generous amount on there. That looks so good. Oh my goodness. I feel like eating it all over again. And here we have it. The finished product. Just look at that. And trust me, it tasted just as good as it looked. Hey everyone! Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it. Also, in the comment section, can you let me know what other dishes you would like for me to prepare for you? Thank you for watching.